Plumbers, if you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today, I got a Navien, error code 353. You might recognize this heater. I had just done a repipe on the autofill. As soon as I packed up my tools, got back in the truck, I went back in to make sure everything was good. And sure enough, error code. So with that, I end up calling tech support, and I have a bad pressure sensor. To make my job easier, I am using the service software called House Call Pro. This is why. I'm working at an empty home right now. I text the owner via the phone app, House Call Pro, to let the owner on my way to the job. He got another text that I'm on the job and started it, and he's on his way here. The homeowner will get a text when the job is complete. Of course, payment when you're done the job. It's a great app, folks. Check out the link below, housecallpro.com/Chuck Barron. Set up your free demo. If you use that link below, your first month is $19. We'll see you inside. Alright, right now the PSI is 31.9. It's about to go off on error, because this is what the error code does. The PSI goes up, fluctuates all over the place, and tech support told me right away that it was the sensor. So we're going to see it lock out right before our very eyes. Stay tuned. So here's what I'll do. Let me shut it down.
Yeah, the PSI is going bananas.
Yeah, he knew it right away.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's not really a true read.
No, it's not.
That's why I said the relief valve ain't going off or not.
Yeah, exactly. The relief temperature valve didn't go off.
No.
So now it's 44. So it's going all over the place.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for it to lock out because look, temperature is even reading 136, which it shouldn't be. It's set for 120. There's 180 for the heat, and here's 120.
Now they should stay at 120, right?
Actually, I believe code is now 120 to 140.
Well,
above
that's commercial.
No, above 140 is commercial.
Well, 140 is not. 140 is the temp you need for dishwashers and stuff.
140 plus.
Yeah.
But I thought hot water, according to the code, was 105 to 120, but it's actually. Alright, so it's not going to cooperate for us here. Let's shut it down for a second.
Alright.
I like to see it go error code.
So so basically, say both of them are set at 120. I mean, I think they're fine.
It wouldn't work. It will just run constantly.
So like 120 is decent because it does go down like the 117, 114.
To me, according to Navien, we put the heater in, right? I said we want to put a circ line in. So he goes, okay, here's the circ pump. Because when you do that, you got to have the timer.
And you have an
Aquastat. You need the aquastat, and these got to be set like 9 degrees apart.
Oh, okay.
That's maybe the settings are off a little bit.
Yeah, but the aquastat's not even hooked up. I isolated.
That's okay.
Yeah,
so
just like to say it was working.
Oh, there it goes. Error 352. We got it.
We got it, man.
There we go, baby.
That's what you shut. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Cool. So here's the part. I already had the part ordered from Navien. Let's get it opened up. Got chilly, didn't it, man?
Nice and cool.
Yeah, it's done. Real nice, man.
Yeah, sure, anyhow.
Yeah. Any hits on here? Any place here?
Yeah. Well, as far as hits go, a lot of showings.
Go, good, man.
Nobody came back with anything.
That's all right.
And people are coming. Oh, there it is. Huh?
This is it, right here. Oh, we got to drain the system down. I know that. Oh, there it is. Yeah, we got to drain the system down. That's right. Let's do this, folks. drain the system down. Water feed's off already. Main valve's off. I'll turn these off too, hot and cold. I don't know if it's on that section. I don't think it is. And let's open it up. It's your rag. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll put a rag here just to catch any residual. Water and electronics don't go good together. Oh, still draining. Let's open this up. The guy said it's easy to put on. Oh.
It looks, it on and
yep.
you clip it in, right?
Yeah. Pop this out. Get out my light, you goon.
Alright. Oh, there you go.
Boom.
That white thing a case over it? Or?
I hear it's draining down still.
Let me see it's coming out.
Nah, Georgie, it's good. It just sucked there.
Yeah.
So here's the bad one, folks. Oh, look at that. Is that dirt? That's crazy, huh?
Guess that's why you gotta clean these out every year, right?
Yeah. No pipe that comes with an O-ring.
Yep. All it doesn't do is attract it.
Yeah. Boop. Yeah. Huh. There you go, goon. Study that. Give me a full report on that, please. And now I think I can turn this thing. What's this do? Oh, see, I can actually turn this, I think. Watch this. Oh, no, you can't. Alright. So now I gotta put this in like so. Oh, that's the snap. Alright. I guess it's so it doesn't snap off. And this goes. Boop. That's a wrap. Alright. That's it, Georgie. You see what happens, bro?
Use some juice, goose.
Now, let's not make the same mistake I made the other day. I forgot to, I was filling up the system, right?
Yeah, I got the.
Matter of fact, you can shut the sink off, George, out there.
Okay.
We'll put this back on. And we'll put the autofill on.
I shut the valve to the feed off.
Okay.
So yeah, you get that back on.
Now?
Both of them are shut off here.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
And then we go this. This is why we had to separate it. Because you can't fill. This is electronically.
Yeah, that's inside the unit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's for electronics.
So that does what it wants to. It tells you if it's air bound.
Yeah, I know. I really want to get to the class, man.
Then definitely after that, I know they have a class in September sometime. That sounds about right, doesn't it?
We can email them. They're good.
Yeah, they are.
They're real good, man.
Yeah.
Cause I just heard on a radio show today that they have like how you have a recirculating line for a long distance, like your place.
Yeah.
They have a sensor that you could put on the stairwell or somewhere. It must be like a little eye.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Then you're going upstairs to take a shower or use it and it turns the pump on through a sensor.
It's like them thermostats.
Yeah.
You walk by them, it flashes what the temperature is.
Yeah.
They have them upstairs where they can control it. So
It's
like
crazy,
Angie,
man.
yeah.
I gotta get. I'll be honest.
Oh,
with you.
by the way, can we change the thermostat in the bottom, please?
We can do whatever you
Yeah,
want, bro.
I'm just gonna go just get a regular heat thermostat.
Okay.
All right.
The ones I'm used to, a T87.
Yeah, the one I'm used to. Too.
You don't want it. You don't want it.
And they're asking me, and I look stupid, so I don't know. Just look at the numbers. But yeah, actually, if they can look on the thing, you know, like on their iPhone or Samsung, and see what the temperature is in the house.
Yep.
So if somebody has it like at 65, they can jack it back up. They can lock it into like 70 or 70, you know, whatever.
Yeah, it's nice. It's so nice, man. The new stuff they got out.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's an app. It really is.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Everything's on, correct?
Yeah. All the valves are on, yeah.
All right, people. Here we go. Pre-purge. I'm going to give you the behind-the-scenes look of the monster in action. We'll do a little pre-purge. 12.6 good PSI, right?
That's right where you want it.
Yeah.
It's heating up now, right?
We'll pre-purge, and then once it's done, we'll turn the hot water on and see what happens. And the temperature should be no higher than 120, because before it was saying 131, 135.
130, yep.
So
the thing I was concerned about was the PSI going.
Yeah,
from bananas, yeah.
Turn the kitchen sink on and see what
We'll
happens.
see what happens.
18.2, 15.9, 86 degrees, 95. Why is the temperature so? Oh, the boiler temperature is that. I'm sorry. Never mind.
The boiler goes to 180, right? Or close to it.
Turn it off, Georgie.
Turn it off?
I hear a lot of air still.
Okay. These get airbound pretty quick. Shut it off?
Yeah, shut it off for a second. I don't like how it sounds, dude.
A full bucket of water, see how much air is in it? Or?
Nope. Did you shut this off down here, George? Oh, it's on. Why didn't it give me water?
I don't know if that's there or not. This thing's coming out. There it goes.
Hold on.
It's coming out now, Chuck.
I don't think there's a check valve in here. I don't think so, but let me just do it this side first. You know, maybe on. I mean, I was purging the crap out of it.
Well, I remember last time I kept getting there. I was getting all kinds of shit. When
You got water coming out, dude?
hold on. It's coming out of a steady stream. No, not now. Nothing now.
going on here.
What the fuck's blocking?
I noticed the same loop. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's totally empty, unless this filter right here is clogged.
Where's that?
Right here. I just want to open this up. That's weird. That's really weird. It's your little bucket, George.
Is this I get a bigger one, or this is okay?
This should be good. Oh.
I got a cup. Hold on.
Maybe another rag, George.
You got it. Here you go.
There we go.
Well, let me get another rag. These are the bastards to work on.
And you just clean this, right? Oh, there we go. Let's try this again.
Still no pressure?
We're not getting no flow through the coil, dude. Nothing. If I open these up,
Yeah.
we're getting water from here.
That sounds like a lot of air, though.
Yeah, but look, watch this. The water's coming through. It's up in the system, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let it build pressure.
Must be a big airlock or something.
I'm hoping it's not. Why would it be clogged? It seems to me there's nothing coming through. Do you have a bucket? A regular bucket?
Yeah. Hold on.
If you don't have one, I got a trash can in my truck. It seems to me that we got a clog going on here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to hold the cold water to here and give it some pressure.
Did you drop something?
Let's see what happens here. Watch this.
Open up and
Now
down.
I should get water here. Watch, stop it. It should be still flowing.
Yeah, that What about the feed? Can you put it on fast?
Unless.
Well, that's all chamber holes, but it should refill, shouldn't it?
Now watch this. That's your system.
That sounds different. That sounds like it's filling.
I'm going to send it out there now to you. Okay.
Hold on.
Oh! Why did it blow down? Jesus Christ.
Coming out. That was a big airlock, wasn't it? What's that?
Blue relief valve.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, that means that it's air. Well, I'll get the rag. I'll get.
I got to towel on my truck, George. You have a mop or something?
What?
I was on the phone with Navien while I was on hold. I said, let me just turn the power on. For 1 second. I turned it on and it unlocked. So I'm thinking, and I hung up from Navien because I got plenty of pressure. I'm thinking it was something electronically that this was shutting off. Maybe.
You have that on.
Yeah. I turned the power on, I heard it unlock and start purging really good.
Yeah. That might be it.
We'll see what happens here. I figured it out by accident.
There you go. You know how many times I've done that?
I've done it my whole career.
I call it divine intervention.
Oh, Georgie.
Well, it stands to reason because it's electronic.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So I'm happy now, but now we're getting some good purge going on here.
Yeah, I got the bucket out there. So
Yeah.
I'll get the tiny bubble pad.
Don't empty it. So I want to see what's in the bottom.
Yeah.
Make sure we ain't got no rusty going on. But you see, folks, I had a little bit of a mess here, but we clean her up. I know how to clean. But now I'm really happy with what's going on now. Let's try this again. We were at this stage before. Yep, here's what we'll do. We got the bucket going. Let's show the boys the bucket trick.
Looks pretty good there. It looks good.
Yeah. So look, we're not getting nowhere. You got some scale going on. And you just
Well, I did it a while back, but I don't know if I did it right or not.
Alright, we can do it again, man. But there's no more air. I like that.
Yeah.
Let's try this again. Turn this off.
It feeds on, right?
Let it run. Boom.
It's off now.
Go ahead, turn it on.
Okay, here we go.
Now, last time we were here, 1.3. Why did I say that?
Here we go.
32 degrees.
7, that's what started out before. 13.7. That sounds good.
Going through pre-purge, 79. And it's about 80 degrees here, so I think that's why it's so hot.
It's not an error, so that's
No, not yet.
I'll say that.
Listen, we'll figure it out till we get it right. That's for sure. All right, 14.9. That's good. Let's run the kitchen sink again. See, we heard a lot of air last time on the pump. Oh, that sounds much better. And it's a little noisier now too because we got the unit open. All right, here we go. 105, 110, 20 psi.
Gotta get to like 115.
Yeah. See, the heater's at 1 if I read it correctly, this is not the temperature of the water. This is the temperature of the boiler.
Boiler, yeah.
I like that, George.
Heat up.
Yeah, it's kind of nice. I like it, man.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we got a winner here. A deep breath.
Yeah.
A couple buckets of spilled water.
Yeah. A lot of rags. We got it. And a hose. Yeah. Good man.
There we go. No leak on our sensor.
Nope.
That was super
I
easy.
see everything. You know, you learn a lot from this shit. Now, you know, trouble. This happens again. You know what it is, basically.
Yeah. That was definitely a lockup of some sort.
Oh, you can tell that, especially when that.
As soon as I turned the power on for 1 second, it went.
Well, that I think that internal thing that feeds it goes off.
Should shut off. Boop. There it goes. Now we'll let it sit a minute. We'll run it again. Make sure it doesn't coat up again. Oh, there it goes, man. I'm liking this. It's perfect. I'm gonna run it again, George. Give it another rag, man.
Yeah, I got it. I'll get to the shower, but it wants to be.
Shut it down, George. Oh, I see, oh, that's a light blink. I thought I seen a red switch, but it's my light.
Okay.
All right, shut that down
Oh, okay.
in there. That's it, man. It's a wrap. We got it.
You got it.
I thought I had a bigger problem there than I thought. Ended up being something crazy, like maybe that part I put in was in lockdown mode or something crazy, because I could not get no water purging. I thought maybe the coil was clogged or something crazy. Ended up being some type of setting. I never did stay on the phone with support to find out the real answer, but in the end, the heater's working fine and didn't go on lockout no more. So with that, we will see you at the next one.